As we sat at a restaurant on Kauai eating the best seafood grill over mind-blowing rice, I knew that I would need to recreate it. This risotto is creamy with a subtle coconut taste and a bright kick of lime to marry the flavors. It is absolutely perfect for any seafood that you'd like to put on top. And now you know why they put the lime in the coconut and mix them bowl up. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Click the red subscribe button and then the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. First, we zest the limes. A microplaner is nice, but the small holes of a cheese grater will work just fine. Since we're going to juice one of them, make sure to roll it to get the juice more accessible. Zest the green of the lime rind, making sure not to get into the bitter white pith. Zest both limes for the whole dish. Slice one lime in half and get it ready for cooking. In a saucepan over medium heat, add one 13.5 ounce can of light coconut milk. You may have some clumps of coconut cream in there, so just give it a quick whisk to smooth it out. Add about 1/4 of your total lime zest to the milk. Add half a teaspoon of ground ginger and give it a stir. Let the milk slowly come to a boil. Add 1 cup of our arborio rice and give it a stir. Allow it to come back to a boil and then reduce the heat to low and cover it. After 10 minutes, give it a stir and cover it again. Check it every 5 minutes until it starts to look like the rice is plumping up, and then squeeze your lime juice in the pan. Give it a stir and cover for 5 minutes. Give it a little taste, and if there's still a firmness to the rice, add as little as 1/4 cup to as much as 1/2 cup of water until all of the liquid is absorbed. Garnish with some lime zest and serve with your favorite seafood. Coconut lime risotto takes me right back to Kauai. That creamy tropical flavor of the coconut with the refreshing pop of lime will make you want to dig into the rice alone. But trust me, it's that much better when topped with seafood like coconut shrimp. Recipe in the description box. For this full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.